Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Logitech recently released their brand new MX Master 3S, and in this video I'll be going over why this should really be called the MX Masterpiece. For Bluetooth desk peripherals, this is a no-brainer. This video will focus on just the mouse, but don't you worry, I have a full video dedicated to just the mechanical keyboard, and that's where you'll get all those tasty audio tests of the clickiness. Inside of the box, you'll get the mouse itself, some paper, and an included USB-C cord. This particular mouse is the brand new MX Master 3S, giving it a massive improvement to the sensor below, claiming to be so accurate that it can even work on glass. But the biggest improvement of this particular mouse is the mouse clicks are much quieter. This mouse in particular has dominated the Bluetooth mouse department, and everywhere you look you see the MX Master mouse being recommended. I heard a ton about it, so I just wanted to see what all the hype was about. The crowning jewel of this mouse is the horizontal scroll wheel. And going over the buttons, there are the standard left and right click, scroll wheel, scroll click, an extra button to switch between scrolling styles, 2 front and back buttons, and a secret button on the thumb pad. See, I actually love using trackpads because it makes it so much easier to zoom, scroll, swipe, and switch between desktops. And when buying this mouse, I thought I would be giving those up, but the amazing thing is that you can actually customize and program any of these buttons, and in doing so, you can make this mouse do everything that a trackpad can. So I was very excited about this feature. After you download Logitech's software called Options Plus, you can basically customize any of the buttons to do basically anything. By using this secret little button on the thumb pad, you can swipe super easily between desktops, and I programmed this little button here to be my zoom in and zoom out. And as I am a Final Cut editor, I customized all of these buttons to make editing a lot faster, and I can almost do everything on one hand, which is really nice. Another really amazing feature is the ability to easily swap between 3 devices, making it really easy for me to swap between my personal computer, work computer, and my PC. And for those gamers out there, yes, you absolutely can game with this mouse. I really don't have very many complaints about this mouse. I think they absolutely nailed it, and this is a really easy recommendation for anyone that's even remotely interested in buying another mouse. Well, that's it for today's video. Videos like this take a lot of work, so I appreciate you being here and interacting with the video. Comment down below if there are things that you'd like me to cover or what you want to see next on this channel. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.